The Christian culture of Kerala is noted for its rich specialties, and Christianity has a long-standing heritage of 2 millennia in Kerala. Over centuries, it has evolved into a stream that naturally blends with the unique cultural traditions of Kerala. Art, music and architecture are part of this wonderful mixture. However, let us look into the observances of the day-to-day lives, cuisine and sartorial choices of Kerala Christians in this state. In the contemporary cosmopolitan era, the ways of dressing are uniform among the masses. But 5 decades ago, the caste, religion, and profession of the people could be deduced from their outfits. The Christian community has successfully continued much of its traditional dressing style into the 21st century. Their cuisine is another interesting area. There are a host of recipes that are popular among the Christian households of Kerala, which include dishes for breakfast, lunch, and special occasions. Other than these, there are many sumptuous varieties of snacks popular among the Christian community. Like any other religious group, the Christians of Kerala too follow a set of rituals imbued with local flavour. One of the basic ceremonies that have been generally observed by Christians is the baptism ceremony. All churches are equipped with facilities for baptism. The First Holy Communion is another important function celebrated by some Christian sects. Christian marriages are solemnized in churches and are followed by grand receptions with banquets of traditional cuisine. Even with the onslaught of modernity, up-to-date lifestyle and technological innovations, it is notable that the rituals and customs which form the roots of a culture are still followed by modern-day Christian believers. The demise of dear and near ones leave a devastated family behind. Here is a traditional burial ceremony followed by the Christian community. However, the religious philosophy practiced by Christians offers consolation by teaching that departed souls go to God's abode.
സ്തുതിയും ബഹുമാനവും സമർപ്പിക്കാം.
അന്തിമ ദിവസം ഉയർത്തിടേണം.